Chapter 13. The Seduction of Sita. One day, while walking in the forest, Sita spotted an extraordinary deer. It was unlike anything she had ever seen before. Sita was overcome with a desire to possess the beautiful creature. "Ram, please capture that beautiful deer for me. It would be wonderful to take it back to Ayodhya when we return." Ram was confused when he saw the deer. It had golden fur. Its spots glistened like diamonds. Its antlers were magnificent. The most perfect creature he had ever seen. Lakshmana was immediately suspicious. Such beauty is unnatural. This must be some Rakshasa trick. But Sita was entranced by the wonder of the creature and remained adamant that the deer must be hers. Ram, the dutiful husband, would do anything to bring joy to Sita. He calmed Lakshmana. "I will capture the deer. If it is indeed a devious Raksha, then I will slay it. You will remain here with Sita until I return." Ram set off in pursuit of the deer, and in response the deer ran faster and deeper into the forest, luring Ram further and further away from Lakshmana and Sita. As Ram continued his pursuit, his suspicion grew. The creature was much too fast, much too elusive. After much time in pursuit, Ram eventually released an arrow in the direction of the deer. The arrow struck true, forcing the creature to transform back to its true form, the Rakshasa Marich. With his dying breath, the demon called out with the voice of Ram, "Lakshman, Sita!" Ram stood over the demon's body and wondered why he had called out Lakshman and Sita's name before he died. A sense of dread overcame Ram, and he turned and hurried back to their home. Back at the forest dwelling, Sita and Lakshman heard the anguished voice of Ram calling out their names. Sita was terrified and turned to Lakshman. "Ram is in trouble. You need to go help him." Lakshman was not concerned. "This is some Rakshasa trick. I was instructed by Ram to remain here and protect you. Ram is more than capable of handling any danger by himself." But now, Sita was overcome by feelings of fear, guilt, and anger. She had asked Ram to capture the deer for her, and now her beloved might be in great danger. And all of these emotions now turned to fury, directed at Lakshman. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.